The key highlights of the budget 2024 to 2025 presented by Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman include economic growth. India continues to show strong economic growth, with inflation stable and moving towards the 4% target. Core inflation is at 3.1%. Budget theme. The budget focuses on employment, skilling, MSMEs, and the middle class, with a central outlay of 2 lakh rupees crore for a package of 5 schemes to facilitate opportunities for 4.1 crore youth over a 5-year period. Budget priorities. The budget outlines 9 priorities aimed at generating opportunities, productivity and resilience in agriculture, employment and skilling, inclusive human resource development and social justice, manufacturing and services, urban development, energy security, infrastructure, innovation, research and development, next generation reforms, agriculture. A provision of 1.5 to lakh rupees crore has been made for agriculture and allied sectors, focusing on enhancing productivity, natural farming, and self-sufficiency in pulses and oilseeds. Employment initiatives. 3 new employment-linked incentive schemes were announced to support first-time employees, job creation in manufacturing, and additional employment across sectors. Education and skilling. An allocation of 1.48 lakh rupees crore for education, employment, and skilling was made, along with a new scheme to skill 20 lakh youth in collaboration with state governments and industry. Women empowerment. The budget includes significant allocations for schemes benefiting women and girls, with more than 3 lakh rupees crore dedicated to promoting women-led development. Infrastructure investment. The central government has allocated 11,11,111 crore rupees for capital expenditure, which is 3.4% of GDP. Tax reforms. The budget proposes significant tax reforms, including a comprehensive review of the Income Tax Act, simplification of capital gains taxation, and changes in personal income tax rates. Fiscal deficit. The fiscal deficit is estimated at 4.9% of GDP, with plans to bring it below 4.5% in the next year. These highlights reflect the government's commitment to inclusive growth, infrastructure development, and fiscal responsibility. The budget for 2024 to 25 includes several initiatives aimed at supporting micro, small, and medium enterprises and promoting manufacturing, particularly in labor-intensive sectors. Here are some key highlights related to MSMEs from the budget speech. Support for MSMEs. The budget provides special attention to MSMEs through a comprehensive package that includes financing, regulatory changes, and technology support to help them grow and compete globally. Credit Guarantee Scheme. A credit guarantee scheme is being introduced to facilitate term loans to MSMEs for the purchase of machinery and equipment without requiring collateral or a third-party guarantee. This scheme will operate on pooling of credit risks of such MSMEs. New assessment model for MSME credit. Public sector banks will develop new credit assessment models for MSMEs based on their digital footprints, rather than relying solely on traditional asset or turnover criteria. Support during stress period. A new mechanism will be established to facilitate the continuation of bank credit to MSMEs during periods of financial stress, ensuring they have access to the necessary funds. Mudra loans. The limit for Mudra loans will be increased to 20 lakh rupees from the current 10 lakh rupees for entrepreneurs who have successfully repaid previous loans under the Tarun category. E-commerce export hubs. E-commerce export hubs will be established in public-private partnership mode to enable MSMEs and traditional artisans to sell their products in international markets. Internship opportunities. The government will launch a scheme for providing internships in top companies to 1 crore youth over 5 years, which is expected to benefit MSMEs by enhancing the skill set of the workforce. Overall, the budget emphasizes the importance of MSMEs in driving economic growth and job creation, with a focus on providing them with the necessary support to thrive in a competitive environment.